Hey guys, it's me, Brandy. Now I have a treat for you guys. I got in my Enchanted Lustre Cosmetics order, and I'm gonna go over it with you guys. Now, Enchanted Lustre Cosmetics is an Australian brand, and if you're expecting them to get here or get to you if you live in the United States and quickly, that's not going to happen. So just so you know, if you're expecting it to get here quickly, don't. So number one. And number two, I had a really good experience with Enchanted Lustre. I mean, they said they were going to get him here in a specific amount of time, and they got here in a specific amount of time. It did take a long time, mind you, but they're in Australia, so I mean, we have to give them that, right? Oh shit. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. No! I'm just gonna repress I'm gonna repress this and just hope that it stays in the pan. It's like surgery. I honestly probably should have pulled them all out of their sleeves before I started the video. That would have been smarter. Because now here I am trying to fix shit on video. So to fix my shadows, it's pretty simple to fix shadow. So if it is a shimmer, if it's a shimmer with a formula that you want to keep intact, the best way to fix the shimmer is to just repress it. So you just break it up into as small of pieces that you can possibly get it, and then break it up to as small of pieces as you can get it, and then you take I actually use a coffee tamper. It's the perfect size. And you just put it on the shadow, and then put like I have a little piece of wax paper here. And anytime I break a shadow, I have like wax paper, or you can use like ribbon. And when I do that, I just push down on it as hard as you can. But you also don't want to cause trauma to the shadow. So that's that. Anyways, let's try to open the rest of these without getting any more broken shadows. No more broken shadows. Okay, no more broken shadows. No more broken shadows. All right. Oh, goodness. It's so stressful when a shadow breaks, because you never know if you're going to be able to press it back and have it be like the same consistency that you had before you pressed it back. Okay, so I have my lights turned down. I wonder if I should turn this one on. It might be too bright. Let's make it a little damper. I'm gonna show you them as I go. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Alright, so I have these kind of separated. I'm going to do the broken one, the one that I broke a little bit last. So first we have plastic. This is what that looks like. And that is what that looks like. And these are a drier consistency. Or at least this shadow is a drier consistency. It's beautiful though. It's just a little bit drier than I thought it would be. I've never tried Enchanted Lustre, so this one is called Sun. This one is not as dry. It's a little more creamy. That was Sun. Next we have Absinthe. And again, this one is a little bit more dry. Next we have Alien. This is almost like a pastel. Ooh, this one is really creamy. And that is almost a neon green. That one's really, really creamy. It's on my finger. Next we have Ocean. Ooh, that's really pretty. This one is a little more dry as well. That's on my finger and my arm. Next we have Stellar. This is a more creamy one. It's this one right here. So next we have Proton. Ooh, this one's a creamy one too. Ooh, that reminds me of Terra Moons. I don't remember what the name of it is, but that reminds me of one of their shadows that I have. And then last we have Moon. And Moon is very creamy. But this is the one I repressed, so there's those. These are super sparkly, super duper sparkly. All right, so those are my Enchanted Lustre cosmetics. I really wanted to try the Dragon Prism palette, or the Dragon Prism 2, and I just didn't have, I mean it's expensive, so I just didn't have the money to buy it, so I didn't. But yeah, these are my Enchanted Lustre cosmetics singles, and that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.